Tama holders, how are you? Hope you're fine now. Hope you have a good day, guys. In this video, I'm talking about Saitama price update. What's going on? What's the price? What's the price changes occur in Saitama? Let me show you guys. But before starting this video, if you are new on my channel or if you don't subscribe my channel, so please subscribe now our channel for more update and news videos about Saitama. Guys. The right now price of Saitama is about 0.00001054 USD dollar, positive changes. The price is very cheap right now, guys. So I think those people who want to invest for a long time in a crypto, so Saitama is good because if you hold Saitama for 2 years, so very soon possibilities, guys, that after 2 years the price of Saitama is about 1 or 2 USD dollar. 1 or 2 USD dollars, so that's really a huge profit. Now that's good for short-term investor. Maybe the price will be more, but that's my normally target for Saitama 1-2 USD dollar, confirm target. Other side, last 24 hours changes is negative 8.78%. I don't know why they are going in the lowest. You can see, but let me show you trading volume. Oh my god, you can see trading volume also going in the lowest, negative 4.90%. The trading volume decrease. You know what, why trading volume decrease? Because in the right now situation, Shiba is in the trending, guys. Shiba is in the positive mode. That's why a lot of people want to invest in a Shiba especially Saitama holders. They are touch with the Shiba guys. So that's why now the people decide to sell Saitama and want to buy Shiba guys. But for Saitama long-term holders, I recommend hold for a long time. Don't worry about these guys. Just hold, just patience. Forget it for 1 year, for 2 years, and after 1 or 2 years, I believe you will find it positive. You will get a huge profit, guys. Anyways, now what's your personal opinion about Saitama? Also share in the comment box, and guys, don't forget to subscribe channel.